Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing Stuffie profiles number 3. Alfred, Angie, Parrot, Thunder. Today, our Stuffie that we will be doing profile on is Parrot. Parrot's profile is red bottom, yellow feet, green back, and he has a yellow chest, orange beak, white head, red hair. He has a yellow and black eyes. One eye is messed up. He has special golden united wings with a star on top on the front and back, so he looks like a plane. He is a finger puppet, and he has a tail. He is super lovable, loves to fly, adventurous, and super endurable, except for his eye, of course. That is the Stuffie profiles. Parrot the Parrot, number 3. 3, 2, 1. Take off! Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more. Over and out.